How to fix Device Manager blocked by administrator in Windows. If you encounter a message stating that Device Manager has been blocked by the administrator in Windows, it usually means that the current user account does not have the necessary permissions to access Device Manager. This restriction is often enforced by the system administrator or a group policy setting to prevent unauthorized changes to system settings or devices. If you are using a personal computer and you are the administrator, you can try the following methods to resolve the issue. Method 1. Run Device Manager as an administrator. 1. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the context menu. 2. If you see the error message, close the Device Manager window. 3. Right-click on the Start button again, but this time select Windows PowerShell, Admin, or Command Prompt, Admin. 4. In the elevated PowerShell or Command Prompt, type dev.msc. Without quotes and press Enter. 5. This should open Device Manager with administrator privileges, allowing you to make necessary changes. Method 2. Enable access to Device Manager via group policy. If you are using a corporate or managed computer, you might not have access to local group policies. In such cases, you will need to contact your system administrator for assistance. 1. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. 2. Type edit.msc. Without quotes and press Enter. This will open the local group policy editor. 3. In the group policy editor, navigate to the following path: Computer Configuration Administrative Templates System Device Installation 4. Look for a policy named Prevent Access to the Device Manager in the right-hand pane. 5. Double-click on the policy to modify it. 6. Select the disabled option to allow access to the Device Manager. 7. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. 8. Close the group policy editor and try opening the Device Manager again. Method 3. Check for malware or viruses. In some cases, malware or viruses may be causing the issue. Perform a full system scan using a reputable antivirus program to ensure that your system is clean. If none of the above methods work, it's possible that your user account might have been restricted at the system level, and you may need to contact the system administrator or IT support for further assistance.